Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I flock and decorate my Christmas tree. This is the Christmas tree. I've had it for a few years now, but I don't have a flock tree and I've always wanted one, so I went ahead and bought this snow flock from Amazon for about $25. I know they have them in some other places like Home Depot, and you can find them in other places, and it's kind of instant. You just use a spray bottle, you fill it with water and a little bit of glue. I just used the regular Elmer's glue, about a dime size amount, and a sifter, and I sifted the snow flock all over the tree. I always wanted to try this. Well, I always wanted a flock tree for a few years now, but I didn't want to buy another tree because I already have one. So I was nervous to try this, but also excited because I really think it looks really pretty. So I just did this. My daughter helped me spray it around, and then I flocked it. I did put some plastic on the floor to avoid making a mess, but I mean, it got all over the floor anyway, but it was okay because it was easy to sweep up. Okay, so we let that dry overnight, and now I start organizing the ornaments. These are the ornaments that I've collected over the years. I try to buy a big pack that has like different types of ornaments, not just round ones. And then these are some new ones that I got this year, but for the most part, a lot of them I already had. Once I have each group, I try to put them up one group at a time so that I can make sure that I spread them out throughout the tree evenly. So I start here with the acorns, and then I'll go ahead and spread them out. I think I had about 6, so I put like 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom, but I just try to spread it out as evenly as possible so that there's not so many of one thing in one area. And I did that with all of them. I mean, some of them I had like 6 or 8, some of them I might have just had 2 because I think over the years they break or they get lost, so I just, used whatever I had. These sparkly snowflakes are probably my favorite. I love using these. Then I got these flowers 2 years ago from Michael's. I use these also to fill up any gaps, any spaces that I see. So I like these. And then these hanging berry looking things I use on the sides to make the sides of the tree look bigger. I think it's a really good addition, and I just try my best to use what I have. I couldn't spend too much, but I think I got these 40% off at Michael's, which I thought were a really good deal. And then these gold flowers I got last year, and again, the flowers just help make it look more full. These branches I got from Michael's. I think they were 40% off. Some of them I found for like $1.50, and I think these are so pretty. I didn't want to use the star anymore, so I decided to get these branches and spray. I think it looks so pretty. I'll link everything below. I also this year added some pink and white to the tree. I found a pack of pink and white ornaments for like $10 for 50, so I went ahead and added those this year too. Lastly, I used this ribbon. I got this ribbon from Michael's as well. I've been using it for about 2 years now. I just cut pieces of the ribbon and I curve it, and I tuck them in any other spaces that look empty, and I think it helps to make the tree look a little more full also. I think it's a really good and easy trick. It works really well, and everything looks so pretty. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. I mean, I'll show some pictures at the end, but I think this looks gorgeous, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. This tree skirt I got from Amazon, and the nativity set was a gift to me from my supervisor. She gave me hers that she wasn't using anymore, but again, I thought this turned out great. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, and I will go ahead and leave some pictures at the end so you can see over the years how I've been decorating my tree. Again, just use whatever you have and make the best of it.